Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add signature in Hostinger webmail. So make sure to log in with your Hostinger account, and once you're logged in, so you will be at the home page of the Hostinger. So from this, what you need to do is just go to this section which is called emails, and once you're into the emails, make sure that you have the premium business account of the Hostinger as well. And after that, you will see your business email into this section, emails. And once you click on the email, I will attach the screenshot. So once you click on your business email, so you will see an option like all the details regarding your name, the further details on the right side, and at the bottom section, there will be a section called signature. So you can just add your signature into this section and just click on save. And once you click on save, that will be the signature of your business email inside the Hostinger. Now, if you want to change it, you can change it after a few days. That is your choice. If you want to keep it same, you can just keep it. But that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel if you find this video useful.